For today's lesson, you're going to need the student book. We are going to be working on page 32. Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're going to be doing some math, and look at what animal we're going to be using. What is that? A frog. What noise does a frog make? Ooh, that was some good ribbits. So I have all these frogs on the board, and to start, we need to be able to count by twos. So I'm going to come over here. We're gonna count by twos. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now I want you to practice again using a whisper voice. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, now what I need you to do is I need you to get your book and either a pencil or crayon, and I need you to go in and circle all those numbers. Ready, set, go. Okay, Kenders, does your book look like mine? With our counting by twos circled? Good job. What I'm gonna have us do now is I'm gonna have us look at these frogs. So, Miss Greer made a triangle out of frogs. We're gonna count and see how many I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I have 21 frogs. But they're all in different spaces to make the triangle. And when I look at the frogs, I notice that their eyes are really big and they're sitting on top of their heads. So I have a question for you. When I have one frog, how many eyes do I have? 2, that's right. Now I have how many frogs? 2 frogs. But how many eyes do I have now? 4. Okay, now we're gonna go down to the next row. Let's try and count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6. Good job. So it looks like every single time I add a frog, I'm adding 2 more eyes. Let's try the next row. 2, 4, 6, 8. The next row, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And last but not least, our last row, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And now I have 12 eyes in that last row. Wow, look at all these frogs I have in all the eyes. Okay, so we were just able to count by twos to count all of our frogs' eyes. We did it by rows. Now I want us to come look in our book. So we have the numbers 1 through 20 in our book. Now I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna use my book, and we're gonna work on filling in the other numbers. So we have from 1 through 20 with our counting by twos. Those numbers are circled. So I have a question for you. What number would go in this box? How do you know it would be that number? Ooh, I heard some different thoughts. So I saw that some students recognized there was a pattern. So in this column, we have 1s in our 1 column, and then our 10s column is increasing. I heard other students say that they know that this number goes from 19 to 20, and if we add 1 more, it would be 21. So what would go underneath 21? I heard someone say our ones column would stay the same, but our 2 would turn into a 3. So now we have 31. Let's try a different one. What number would go here? We would have a 5 in our ones column, and then we go from 1 to 2, 25. What would go underneath 25? 35, that's right. We keep our ones column the same, and we're increasing our tens column. Talking about our tens column, let's come over here. We have 10, 20, what comes after 20? 30, 40, good job. There we go, counting by 2s. Let's try it one more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job, kindergartner.